It is Monday, my people. Bro, today started like every other trader's Monday, full of hope, caffeine, and chat confusion. Man, I was almost in 4 trades, but guy, one hit stop loss before my eyes. But thank God I didn't enter. Bro, now we are left with 3 trades still cooking. A buy on GBP-CAD, giving a downhill with style. A buy on CAD-CHF, and a buy on AUD-CHF. Was why not add a little spice to the mix? All look good for now. But nigga, this is trading. 1 minute you are a genius, the next you are asking your chat what you ever did to it. Anyway guys, I will keep you posted. I would likely update you tomorrow morning, hopefully with blue in my MT5. See you then, finger crossed, trade secure. Good morning legends. Yesterday was one of those days that felt like finding cold coke in the desert. Man, we finally got a win. Yup, we snatched one like a thief. Negative though. We are traders, not troublemaker. Bro, the funny part, out of the 3 setup we predicted, all 3 went straight to take profits like there was racing for Ibiza. But only one could tap us in. The other 2, men, they flirted with our entry, gave us hope, and then ghost us like a bad date. Now listen, let me tell you a quick heartbreak story of what happened yesterday. GBP-CAD nearly tapped us in on TradingView, gave us butterfly, but on NT5, nothing. Spread said, not today, buddy. AUD-CHF did the same. Dance around the zone but refused to tap in. Only CAD-CHF respected the hustle, tapped us in, then went straight to take profits like it had a mission. Shout out to CAD-CHF. Today, though the market is a bit sharp, only one clean setup caught my eyes, and it is AUD-CHF again. This pair still look like it want to fly, so I have set a buy limit. Now we will wait to know if it will tap us in or ghost us again. Only time will tell. Either way, we are in this together. Let's see what the market cooks today. I might update you guys tomorrow morning. Good afternoon guys, it is Wednesday, and friends, here is the quick breakdown. Man, I'm not gonna lie, yesterday's setup looked promising and it even pushed higher for real. But funny enough, it didn't come anywhere near my end. Shit man, then I had to do the clean thing, delete the order I placed and move on. Bro, no emotion attached, just chat and decision. But for today, I have done my usual routine. Checked, cross-check, and man, I even triple-check. Still, no valid setup. Bro, this feel like the market is in correction phase these past 2 days. Let me tell you, with my strategy, I usually catch 3 to 4 good trade opportunity a day. But nigga, these 2 days in a row now, nothing. And you know what? Buddy, that is perfectly fine. No trade is better than a bad trade. Man, you heard, protecting your capital is also part of the strategy, right? Yeah man, let's stay sharp. I will check back on Thursday morning. Thursday is here, and guess what? Yesterday was Wednesday, and let's just say the market ghosted us. No trace, no setup, nothing. It was like that one friend who promised to show up and then switch off their phone. Yep. Betrayer at its finest. But today we have a little spark of hope. Just one setup on USD-JPY, and funny enough, that is my brother's favorite pair. He treats it like it is his firstborn. Every time he says he is on USD-JPY trade. The setup looks sweet, but here is the twist. Hasn't tapped us in yet. That is what this setup is doing to me right now. Just playing hard to get. But I have faith this pair has a history of hitting TP. Like it is trying to impress somebody. So we will stick around, finger crossed. Even my wifey signal is praying. And as for today, no work, no party. Not even a walk to the fridge. Not because I'm disciplined, but because honestly, I have got nothing to do. Anyway, you already know I will be back on Friday morning with updates. Whether we win, lose, or just cry together. See you then, legends. I have literally been indoors all day. No trip, no run, just me in my zone, alone at home. At this point, I have to pick up a camera to prove my point. Not by anyone, just by guilt and caffeine. Spinning my thoughts like a slot machine. But you know what? To remind you today, there is still one thing I can proudly do before I call it a day. I have a book I will go read. I will off the camera because knowledge is all I need. And yes, reading counts as being busy. It is the fastest way to fake a hustle and keep it this. Anyway, I'm wrapping up here, same time tomorrow. We gather for that USD-JPY update tomorrow. Let's hope the market doesn't ghost us again like a wifey lag when you are deep in a game. I just came down from the highway. It's finally Friday, the official end of the week, holding that trade till your Friday. Anthem to every trader still all day and dreaming of payout day maybe on Friday. Yesterday, I set a limit order with no delay. The setup moved just the right way. Tap us in and head to take profit like it had bills to pay. No stress, no drama, just vibes and chat moving our way. Today, though all pay is cold. Setup, no. Trace, no. In fact, the market totally said no. Just slide eyes and no real flow. Like the trend forget to show. And honestly bro, it is the last trading day of the week yo. So let's end the video smooth, not just for the show. And this is the final update for this Propfirm account I own. But guess what? This week we took just 2 setups, sharp like a cut, and we won both. But let's not get carried away. I haven't forgotten the pain that made us keep the $100 challenge away. That was last week ago. I still replay 16 straight losses. Confidence hit in heavy dose. That is a spiritual experience fit for full-time course. Most people would have switched up strategy after those losses, change broker or change religion. But me, I stayed, I fought, I journaled, I cried a little. Then I stood back up, ready to face more losses. That's trading. You don't throw out the whole strategy just cause the market shock you up like a wide allergy. Growth stake strategy, not law, but planned synergy. So this week on the Propfirm account, we close with a 6% profit that definitely counts. Celebrate today for the gain. We rest tomorrow cause no open market, no strain or pain. And next week, we rise and go again.